1. REST, Representational State Transfer. REST is an architectural style that uses standard HTTP methods: GET, POST, PUT, DELETE. To perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations on resources. Use cases: well suited for stateless communication and widely used in web applications and mobile app development. 2. RPC, Remote Procedure Call. RPC allows a program to cause a procedure, subroutine, to execute in another address space, commonly on another machine. Use cases: commonly used in distributed systems where components need to invoke procedures on remote systems. 3. GraphQL. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows clients to request only the data they need. It provides a more efficient and flexible alternative to traditional REST APIs. Use cases: particularly useful for applications with complex data requirements or when bandwidth is a concern. 4. Polling. Involves clients repeatedly checking a server for new information by sending requests at regular intervals. Use cases: suitable for scenarios where real-time updates are not critical, and periodic checking is sufficient. 5. WebSockets. WebSockets provide full duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection, enabling bidirectional communication between clients and servers. Use cases: ideal for real-time applications such as chat applications, live sports updates, and collaborative editing. 6. Webhooks. Webhooks are HTTP callbacks or user-defined HTTP callbacks triggered by events. When an event occurs, the source site makes an HTTP request to the URL configured for the webhook. Use cases: useful for event-driven architectures, allowing one system to notify another about specific events. Each integration pattern has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on factors like the nature of the application, performance requirements, and the specific use case. Often, a combination of these patterns is used in complex systems to meet various communication needs.